Amazon parent hacks. First are these turtles that swim when submerged in water, making bath time fun and enjoyable for everyone. And if you have trouble convincing your kids to wash their dirty hands, these markers are a unique way of applying soap as they draw it on their hands and scrub to wash up. They'll never stain their skin or clothes and come in 3 different colors.
My Amazon Prime holiday must-haves include these stunning lit branches, beautiful lit birch trees, lightweight concrete planters, a 4-pack of velvet pillow covers under $25, and a 7.5-foot Christmas tree at an unbelievable price.
Top 5 Amazon mom favorites that you can find today during Amazon Prime Day. First up is this major time saver. Not only does this vacuum mop and vacuum, but it also self-cleans. And boy, does it come in handy for all the beautiful white and gold nugget ice maker. It's on an incredible deal today for Amazon Prime Day, and they also gave me an extra code that can stack. So be sure to use that because these go so fast. Next up is this command center that I've been loving so much. I use it for recipes, the calendar, grocery lists, and it even plays Netflix on it, which is so fun in the kitchen. And I even found this cute little frame that I put around it from Amazon too. Also, I wanted to do something fun, so I'm giving away 2 $250 gift cards to Amazon in honor of Prime Day, so make sure you check out this. Toys has been my go-to in our house. This one's in the kids' loft, and then I also have one downstairs. I absolutely love how affordable these are. Organizing the kids' clothes for the week ahead has been such a time saver in the mornings. I love these from Amazon. They're the perfect size. Check out all these deals and more on
Amazon Travel Must-Haves Part 1. Starting with this backpack I took to Europe this year, it was the perfect size. It held all my essentials and still fit under the airplane seat. If you haven't tried compression packing cubes yet, this is your sign. It's the best way to stay organized, and you can compress them down to save room in your suitcase. This is my secret on how I pack so much and just to carry on. This is my favorite travel steamer. I've tried so many and this one has never failed me, and you can fold it down, making it compact enough to fit in any bag. I've searched for the best makeup bag on Amazon and I finally found it. This is the bigger size I use for longer trips. I put my makeup on one side and use the other for toiletries. It also comes in a smaller size I like to use for weekend trips. I never travel without air tags. I keep one in my luggage just in case it ever gets lost or stolen, and I also have one in my passport holder. Lastly is a 3-in-1 charger you can use for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once.
Prime Day big deals. This is a dual pump squeeze mop kit. Rather than dirt hanging out in your mop and being pushed around your house, pump the mop into the wash slot to properly cleanse, lift grime, and load products. Then slide it into the narrow second slot to squeeze out excess water until you have the optimal level of moisture to clean your floors.
Here are 5 of my favorite travel products that are on sale today for Prime Day. First up are my all-time favorite compression packing cubes from BagSmart. You guys already know I'm absolutely obsessed with these packing cubes. They are the first thing I would replace if my suitcase ever went missing, and they are truly the thing that makes the biggest difference when it comes to packing more efficiently and fitting more in your suitcase. Next up is this Bluetooth adapter that allows you to connect your Bluetooth headphones to the in-flight video screen so you can watch movies on the airplane right through your AirPods. Another travel favorite that I rarely see on sale is my 2-in-1 curling iron and straightener on suitcase. This is the 20-inch hanky that opens trunk style. Because the suitcase has a large open compartment compared to the split style suitcase that you normally see with hard side luggage, it makes it super easy to pack, and it takes up less room while you're actually on your trip because all you have to do is open the top to gain access to the entire suitcase. I've used it for both international and domestic trips so far, and it's held up great with no scratches. And last up is this 3-in-1 charging cord that works as a USB-C, a micro USB, and a lightning cord, meaning you only have to take one charging cable for all of your electronics. Let me know if you want a part 2 of more Prime Day travel favorites.
Summer Amazon favorites for kids. These stepping stones are perfect for indoor or outdoor, great for motor skills, balancing. Wooden sensory bin comes with a variety of utensils and you can get as creative with the themes. Reusable water balloons have a magnetic strip which can be reused and refilled as many times. Lastly, endless summer fun with this bouncy house. My kids absolutely love it.
allows you to give a variety of snacks in a container they can control with the push of a button to spin it to the next compartment. Great for at home or on the go. Speaking of snacks, this cup collapses when not in use and has a lid, making it a great snack cup for travel. No more smashed fingers indoors. These guards come in a pack of 6 to place all around the home to protect those little hands. And lastly, these cups double as a drink glass and snack cup in one with interchangeable lids. They come in a pack of 4 in a variety of colors and work for the whole family. All items are linked to my Amazon shop on
Amazon Road Trip Hacks. This travel tray fits perfect in any cup holder and makes snack and lunchtime clean and easier. No more drop food or balancing containers in the car seat. If your backseat looks like this minutes into a road trip, try the backseat organizer. Seatbelts in so it won't slide off, holds all the books and toys in one easy-to-reach place, and even has a zippered pouch in the front for snacks or small items. Mesh on both sides holds water bottles, sunglasses, or tablets. Finally, this iPad holder. This one is perfect because it springs to clip on, no taking the headrest on and off, and it moves easily so one person or the whole car can enjoy the show.